handlebar ends are screwed on bolts. I gotta take these off. They're getting a little crusty dusty, so see if I can unscrew them. There we go. These little pieces right here, the bolt and this little chewed up piece, they're almost $10 each. This little nub right here is pretty expensive too. So try to keep all the pieces together, and basically gonna cut this off because should I keep it? There's two ways to get this off: cut it off, or take an air hose and put it in there. I'm chopping it off because I don't want it. It's old and crummy. I don't want 40-year-old grips. Let's see. I'm sure somebody could use these, but you know what? Maybe I should. Yeah, they're pretty collapsed up, set of grips. So I'm gonna make good work of them. Try to cut my finger off. There we go. See how much rust is under here too. I'm gonna see if the handlebars, I'll put on my buffing wheel, see if I can buff them up a little. If not, oh well. There we go. Good thing this knife is a little sharper than usual. It's a brand new knife. I haven't broke it yet, but I guarantee you I will. I buy $10-$20 knives and I just destroy them. That's what they're there for, to destroy. I don't know what it is. See, you get some weird crusty dusty crap in there, and they have the little bobber in there. So let me cut this one off now. Come on, off we go. Off we go. Using an air tool probably would have been quicker, but then I dragged the hose over here, take it all out. So this is actually this is actually easier than trying to reroute my air hose through this mess. So come on, just get a little more. There you go. If I went a little faster, I could probably slice a finger open or two. Yeah. Or like this maybe. Try this. There we go. It's like filleting a fish. Fillet of Honda. There we go. Fillet of Honda. Fillet of Honda. There we go. Fillet, oh fillet, oh fillet, oh fillet. And honestly, the best grips I find are genuine Honda grips. Anyway, you'll see there's some crusty, dusty crap on here. I'm going to go use the buffer and see if I can buff this off and make it look a lot nicer. Some bird turd. Looks a little rust pits here and there, but I don't know what the hell's going on there. That's a little weird. Stay tuned, I'll show you after I'm done. Alright folks, you've seen the edges before. A nice, highly polished. It's not perfect. It's got a, probably 40 years of, there's a couple of rust spots here. Go over it, cleaned off the gook on there. Gook. A little bit of rust in one of those holes, but there's a couple little pits. This will be probably handlebars. The hand grips. It looks pretty nice. So yeah, cleaned it up. Now I can put some new grips on it and see how it goes. So yeah, I'm gonna put this on the bike, and eventually, if you look right over here, it needs handlebars. Yeah. So we'll just, I didn't want to show you the polishing. I mean, you really want to watch a video of me polishing stuff, but it looks a heck of a lot better than it did before. Thanks for watching. Well, after cleaning the handlebars, I mounted them to it, and I got all this right here. So let me show you how it looks here. See that? That's pretty cool. Handlebars. Nice new bolts. I polished this up as best I could. And now I know how to take the polish crap off with CRC brake stuff. So this cap, that thing is super tight. So yeah, it's coming along. Even got the little key thing. This is going to get powder coated. I have another one. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the handlebar video.